Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best water flosser recommendations, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Fairywill Oral Irrigator USB Rechargeable Water Flosser, a portable dental tool with a 300 ml water tank and 8 nozzles, ideal for effective teeth cleaning and oral hygiene. It's USB rechargeable, making it convenient for travel and everyday use. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Seago Portable Water Flosser with Travel Bag. This electric toothbrush and water flosser combo comes with 5 nozzles and a 150 ml water tank. Perfect for teenagers and students, it's USB rechargeable and includes a travel bag for on-the-go convenience. At number 3. Kinseibeauty Oral Irrigator for Teeth Whitening, featuring 5 modes and a 300 ml tank. This USB rechargeable oral irrigator offers effective teeth whitening. Its portability and rechargeable design make it a convenient choice for maintaining oral health. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Schoben Portable Dental Oral Irrigator. With 4 nozzles and a 300 ml water tank, this USB rechargeable water flosser is waterproof, IPX7 rated, for added durability. Its portability and effective water jet make it a reliable choice for oral hygiene. At number 1. SUBORT Oral Dental Irrigator USB Rechargeable Water Flosser. This portable dental water jet comes with a 260 ml tank and is waterproof, ensuring effective teeth cleaning. Its USB rechargeable feature adds convenience to its use, making it suitable for everyday oral care routines.